nice shop tip for everyone. If you have a shop and you have some hacksaws in your shop and some of the blades go bad, don't throw these away. Make yourself a cutter on the edge of your bench here. I'm going to do that right now with this this hacksaw blade, and I'm going to take a screw here. I guess I have one here, and then I'm going to take a nut just like this, ram it through like this, and then put it in the wood. Let's see here. Okay, and here's another one for the other side. Put the screw in, and then put a nut right over here behind it. That way I have a little bit of space between the blade and the wood when I mount this. Okay, very nice. And what I did, I just made a cutter for some paper. Let me show you. So I can roll some paper right in here, just like this, and maybe even press it a little bit to give it a little bit of a crease. Yeah, right. Let's try it again. You know what? That worked earlier, but you know how it is, right? Okay. So we're going to roll this in here, and then you can crease it there a little bit. Look at that. Look at that right there. That's also good, very usable for sandpaper. Let's say you have some sandpaper you want to throw in there as well, and you want to cut it down maybe a little bit. It really does come in handy. Now this is an emery cloth that's a little bit thicker than a normal sandpaper. Let's see if it works. There we go, just like that. So that little baby's going to stay right there. It's going to come in handy. And there's a nice shop tip for you today. Happy woodworking.